Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to create 3D football in Adobe Illustrator CC. First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel, so let's create it.
Pyro made this one.
Jump out and shoot or drive by and let go. Ever done a booting on the mains 10 toes? Done it once, done it twice. I'm taking the piss, I put my plans to the side. Man got pagans to live. I won't stop until he's dead. You got 9s in my clip, couple shots of the lead. Crept up with a 12 and put a bell through his head. Fucking indirect, I'd rather burst you instead.
Friends turned to up, so I'm quick to let a bridge burn. Pull up in slack, make him crawl like he's got worms. And I ain't using words, I let my burner talk, get up close, point blank, let it burst.
I swear New runs the fastest. Britain's got talent, I'm a booting fanatic. F-blocked, home of the shooters and trappers. YouTube captured my shootings on cameras. It's rap shit bangers when you live in what you rap. I'm in this black BM with a spinner on my lap. Turn the phone lines on and start spinning up the flats. Or we transport the line and hit the fiends out the back, out the back.
And I don't need a platform for the truth to be heard. On a daily trying to dump you, 2 hands on this dotty. Hop on a plane if I ever catch a body. Catch your back, put my feet up and make off with a hottie.
Jump out and shoot or drive by and let go. Ever done a booting on the mains 10 toes? Done it once, done it twice. I'm taking the piss, I put my plans to the side. Man got pagans to live. I won't stop until he's dead. You got 9s in my clip, couple shots of the lead. Crept up with a 12 and put a bell through his head. Fucking indirect, I'd rather burst you instead. Bro took an L and never sweated it. Cause that little pussy will die, now come bet on it. 3 ups on 1 whack, but I ain't selling it. And I got beef in the streets, I ain't settling, never.
Say it with chest, fuck your rep and what you're on. Hold up driver's side, snap the 12 through the car. I've got gal in my DMs. Are you the guy who made that song? Wait, are you the one who's from the bookie side of Bronx? Yes I am, so screaming through my killers in the can. We got guns like a ran barrel, smoking, let it slap. And I ain't rich, I need 8 figures in the bank. Put him in my pack so we're gassed when the caddy lands.
Drop it on the savages. Any problem, then we'll handle it. Just cop the fizzy off the Asians, and I got sweets off the yardies. Broke up the pumpy off the travellers. Jump out and shoot or drive by and let go. Ever done a booting on the mains 10 toes? Done it once, done it twice. I'm taking the piss, I put my plans to the side. Man got pagans to live. I won't stop until he's dead. You got 9s in my clip, couple shots of the lead. Crept up with a 12 and put a bell through his head. Fucking indirect, I'd rather burst you instead.
Thinking of it, baby, you got this water.